So you're wondering why your videos are not getting views even when the content itself is very valuable. In this video today, I'm going to show you why your videos are not getting the views even if your content is very valuable. It is very possible for you to create content that are very valuable, like content that is actually solving problems for people on the YouTube street. But people are not getting to watch these videos because there are certain things that is actually wrong with your videos, which I am definitely going to delve right into. But before I delve right into it, hello and welcome back again to the channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by here. If you are new here, you're very welcome. On here, I teach you how to grow your YouTube channel from scratch, help you make money, and also show you some tips that can actually help you monetize your YouTube channel very, very fast. If this is something that you love to listen or see all the time, then go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Do not forget to give me a huge thumbs up on this video if you love this content. Now let's dive right into the video. There are certain reasons why your videos are not doing very well, and it is not because your content is not great. I'm even talking about the reason why your videos are not doing very well, especially if your content is great. You may create a beautiful content that is packed with value for your audience, but yet they are not watching the video because there are certain things that is wrong with the video. So the real reason why your videos are not really doing well is because your videos lack optimization. Now, a lot of persons are confused about video optimization or what it actually is. You might be hearing a lot of video optimization or optimize your videos, SEO and all of that, but you don't really know what it is. Let me tell you. Video optimization simply means positioning your videos in a way that your viewers or your potential audience get to see your videos. So if you are not doing that in your videos, then your videos are not going to be getting the attention and the attraction and getting to the right audience that it ought to get to, thereby not getting the views that it's supposed to get. So what do you do to optimize your videos so that it can be able to get to the right audience and then get you the views that you want? Number one is to make sure that you are paying attention to your thumbnail. I know you must have heard this a lot, but trust me, it is one of the reasons why your videos are not doing well. Even if your content is good, if your video thumbnail is not sparking the curiosity, is not giving the message to people or to your particular potential audience that they should click on this video, they definitely are not going to click on this video. I've made a video step by step teaching you how to create engaging thumbnail that sparks curiosity, and thumbnail that is going to lead to clicks on your videos. I'm going to leave the link to that video in my description box. You want to go ahead and check that video out after watching this one so that you know exactly what to do in terms of creating a very beautiful thumbnail that is going to spark that curiosity and lead to engagement in your videos. So creating a very powerful YouTube thumbnail that is going to spark curiosity or that sends a message to your audience when it comes to them clicking the video is one thing that your video is lacking, and that is why it is not getting views. Okay, you guys, so another thing that your video is lacking that is making it not to get the views is your title. You have bad titles, or your titles are not doing justice. You guys, you may have a beautiful content, but if you don't title it very well, then you definitely are not going to see views, or you are not going to see positivity in that video when it comes to ranking in views or engagement. How do you now make your video thumbnail titles very, very catchy? You want to make sure that your video thumbnail are actually sparking curiosity and sending the message that there is a solution in this video. Okay, you guys, I've also taught you, or I've also made a video talking about how you can be able to generate YouTube titles that are going to create engagement and going to help you rank in the YouTube search, so that whenever any audience is actually looking for the kind of videos that you just created, they are definitely going to find it. This is something that you should put in mind whenever you are creating or whenever you want to title your YouTube videos. You want to make sure that your titles are actually carrying keywords that your potential audience are going to type in the search bar of YouTube, because if you don't add those keywords, then they will type something and it's not going to bring out your videos, even if your videos is relating to those keywords. So you want to use keywords that are relating to the video, and also keywords that are going to relate to how your potential audience are going to, or what they are going to actually type on the YouTube search engine. And how you do this is, number one, I told you I've created a video teaching you step by step how you can do this. But one thing you need to have in the back of your mind is the fact that you need to position yourself as the audience looking for that video. If you position yourself as the audience looking for that video, then you will definitely get a thing or two or an idea on the kind of things to name the video or how to title the video. Because if you don't title your video very well, then it is going to get lost on YouTube because people may not be able to search for it. It is the keywords that is imputed on the search bar on YouTube that is going to determine if your videos are going to pop up, right? So you want to take note of that. Another reason why you are not getting views in your videos is the fact that your videos are not engaging. Now, I see a lot of people come here, to create videos, and then the first 30 seconds of their videos is not even passing that message that they have something here that somebody can actually watch. If your videos are not interesting, if your videos are not engaging, if your videos are not passing messages of value to people, they are definitely not going to watch. A lot of people come here because they are looking for solutions to their problems and they don't want to waste time on anybody's video, right? So you want to make sure to quickly deliver your videos before they click off your videos, because of course humans have very short retention span. And if your videos are boring, if your videos are not engaging, if your videos are not making the viewer feel at home and feel connected to you, then definitely they are going to click out of your video, or they are not even going to click on your video at all. So you want to make sure that you make your videos engaging. And how do you make your videos engaging? By making it lively, first of all. Then also you want to make sure that you're giving tips on the kind of solutions that is packed in that video that you are definitely going to give to your audience. Okay, you guys, so that is another reason why your videos are not actually doing numbers or doing views here on YouTube, even if it has value. Another one I'm going to talk about, which is also very important, is the fact that your content is not valuable. Now, I know that I've been talking about even if your content is valuable, there are sometimes that you will not get views. Yes, there are also sometimes that your videos are actually not valuable. A lot of people come here because they are looking for solutions, right, to a particular problem, be it entertainment, be it a DIY, be it a day-to-day struggle, and all of that. They are actually looking for something that is going to be helpful to them. So if you are not solving a problem or for your particular audience, then they are not going to definitely watch your videos. So if this video has actually helped you a lot, kindly go ahead and give it a huge thumbs up. If you have any question about growing here on YouTube, let me know in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, because on here I teach you how to grow your YouTube channel from scratch, because I currently run 5 YouTube channels and I've monetized 3 out of those 5 YouTube channels, and I'm on my journey to monetizing the remaining 2, which in all I'm going to be teaching you the tips that I use, the failures that I've gone through, and how you too can position yourself so that you too can be able to monetize your own YouTube channel in no time. Then go ahead and subscribe to the channel, because of course those are the tips that I'm going to be dropping on here. Currently have a lot of videos that are definitely going to help you. Do not forget to go ahead and check the description box to the links to those videos. That is going to help you. Thank you so much, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.